Hi, this is Edward from ConnectPRO. First thing first, ConnectPRO would like to thank everyone who pre-ordered our newest line of DisplayPort KVM switch. Second of all, our UDP2-12AP KVM switch were supposed to ship out starting this week. Unfortunately, due to technical issue, the ship out date has been postponed. ConnectPRO would like to apologize to all the customers who actually pre-ordered the DisplayPort KVM switch. We're working very hard to get it out to you as soon as possible. As a sign of our appreciation to all of you who pre-ordered our DisplayPort KVM switch would also get one of these cables for you to upgrade update your KVM switch for the future. And I'd like to thank you again for your patience and your support.